Maybe this has happened to you. You turn on your solar generator. It's pretty much close to being fully charged. And you go to the back, you turn on the AC power, and you go to your appliance, and you get the dreaded GCF, or as some people call it, 6CF error. Well, it is actually GCF, or ground connection failure. Stick around, and I'll show you how to get a happy, healthy, fully functioning appliance with no error messages. This is a quick, easy, and cheap fix. So head down to your big box home improvement store and pick up one of these. It's about $3. This orange colored plug-like thing. Make sure it has 3 prongs, by the way. And the first thing you want to do is just open it up with your Phillips head screwdriver. And it has like a clamshell assembly. So you just remove that Phillips head screw and open up this device. And you'll have 3 terminals inside, one for each of the prongs. And you'll need an inch long, maybe inch and a half long piece of carbon cable like you see pictured below with the green insulation. Each end should be stripped. Obviously, I have to strip the other end of that. Inside our plug device, you're going to have a silver screw, which is for the neutral. This brass colored screw is for the hot. And the green screw on the bottom is for the ground. We want to loosen up the chrome colored or neutral screw and then also the green or ground screw. So we've got clearance for each end of that copper cable. I'm going to take our piece of cable and bend it into a mini horseshoe like you see there. And then, of course, connect the green or ground and silver or neutral posts together. And once we make those connections, we want to get those screws, good and tight, good and snug. And then we'll close up the clamshell, which I hope I can do. I hope I didn't make that cable too long, maybe just a hair too long, but probably better to make it too long than too short. Ah, yes, it will close up. All right, we can reassemble this bad boy and then head out to the solar generator and test everything out. Now, all that needs to be done is we just need to plug in this orange gadget we just built into an open socket on our generator, like so, and then turn on the AC power for the generator. And let's go take a little stroll and check out our appliance, make sure there's no errors. By the way, this is an inflatable spa pump. You can run the pump off of a generator, but just not the heat. Anyway, we do have success. We have power, so we're good to go. Oh, what a beautiful sound. Okay, I hope this video helps you with your solar power GCF issues. If it did, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.